Here you go.
How's it going, guys? So I'm going to show you guys how to make yams that taste really good. So it's going to be called yam fries. So all you're going to do is you're going to get the yam. What you're going to do first is wash it. Then what you want to do is wipe it off a little bit. I'll show you how to do one. I won't do all of them. I am making myself 5, but I'll just show you one. So you got to peel each one. So use a potato peeler. Yams suck to cut. If you try cutting them with a knife, it's going to be very difficult. You use the peeler, it's going to be very easy and very simple. So I'll just show you guys one again. I won't show you guys me peeling all 5 of the yams. That will take forever, but I will show you little clips. And we'll go step by step on how to actually make these. Because if you just warm up yams themselves, they might taste kind of bad. You can make them good and they can still taste yummy. So for the yams, all you're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of garlic on them a little bit later. And that's it. So there's my first one. And then you can cut the edges off too, big butcher knife. So that's the first step, you guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you guys how to cut them up, because you want to cut them up into fries, because we are making yam fries, you guys. So what you're going to want to do is just get the yam and be very careful when you're holding a knife. I've yet to cut myself, but now that I've said something, I probably will. So big butcher knife, big knife, whatever, it has to be sharp. If you use a small knife, a butter knife, it will not work. So all you're going to do, I found this trick to be pretty good. Just put your hand here, cut them like this. That way if the knife slips, you're not going to cut your hands. Do not hold the knife like this, because it will slip, you will cut yourself. So once you chop the yam in half, all you're going to do is the exact same thing. Put your hand here, just make a simple cut. Same thing here, simple cut. Now we have it in 4 pieces. Then all we're going to do is just keep chopping them like so. Again, I've done this for years, so I can do this pretty quick, you guys. Again, I can do 2 whole panfuls. And so once you get them lengthwise, again, your fries can depend on whatever length you want, but I found the shorter they are, the quicker they will cook in your oven. Boom. So again, they should kind of just look like a French fry. So again, that really doesn't look like a French fry, but these do. So they kind of just look like a French fry that you would get at McDonald's or so. And again, this is all you do. Easy peasy. That's the end of that clip. Okay guys, the next step, what we're going to do is just get a normal baking pan. It doesn't matter what it is. Make sure it's kind of flat so you can fit all the yams. And what you're going to want to do is just get a little bit of tin foil. Put it on. Again, if you don't have tin foil, it's no big deal. It's just they might stick a little bit, which is perfectly fine. Doesn't matter. Tin foil is not needed, so don't stress out about that. Then all you're going to do is get your yam fries. Put them like this. I like to do them like this so they all fit on the pan. And again, I'm just showing you guys 1 yam. I will be cooking all 4 of these yams. Actually, I got 5. So when I usually cook the yams, I will cook 2 full pans, because again, this is kind of a little bit of preparation. It takes a little bit of time. So once you get the yams like so, I'm going to grab some olive oil. And a tablespoon. So now that we have the olive oil is very important. You gotta make sure you put this on, because yams are very good. They're a complex carbohydrate, very high in fiber, and one of the highest foods in potassium. So this will lower blood pressure as well. But there's no fats, there's nothing to it. It's just complex carbohydrates. So you need some healthy fats. By sprinkling olive oil on it, it cooks better. It also tastes way better. So what I will do is I'll just get a tablespoon of olive oil. And then what I'll do is I'll sprinkle it over top of these yam fries like this. And again, you can cut your yam fries thinner. I do them like this. It really does not matter. But if you want them thinner, you can cut them thinner. So once that you sprinkle the olive oil, so what we're going to do now is we're going to get the garlic. Make sure it's garlic powder. Don't put salt on it, because salt isn't healthy. Our diets are already full. Ton of salt. Garlic powder, you guys, there's no salt in it. I highly recommend no salt. Get a little bit of garlic. Again, you can have you don't need the little packages. And then all you're going to do is just sprinkle a little bit of garlic on there. Doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit. I might have put a little too much there. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna preheat the oven. Now what you wanna do is preheat it to 400 degrees. I think we have a light in here. Fuck yeah, we do. Boom. 400 degrees, and we'll do the next step. So the final step, you guys, what I have done is I took all of my yams, I put them on a pan. I kind of filled the pan up quite a bit, as you guys can see, so maybe don't fill it up too much. So preheat your oven to 400 degrees, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in the oven. Very simple. Our timing, what we wanna do, what I found best, now this will depend on how fast your oven cooks, I guess, but let's see, timer. What I recommend is 15 minutes per side. So do 15 minutes, take it out, flip them, do another 15 minutes, 30 minutes in total. Now here's the thing though, depending on how big you cut your fries, the thinner you cut your fries, the faster they will cook. So what you want to do is make sure that they're not hard. They want to be soft. So that's an easy way you can tell. You take them out, they're soft, they're chewy, that's perfect, that's what you want. If you bite on them, they're super hard, kind of like eating a raw potato, you gotta put them in the oven more. So I'll show you guys what the final product looks like when we are done. Okay, you guys, the final product. Here are the yams. You can see how they're crisp. And I've already tried one, but yeah. Oh, they're fucking delicious, you guys. They are amazing. So you got your yams, you got olive oil as well on top of that, and then a little bit of garlic. So there is no salt to these bad boys. Salt's very important. A lot of people eat way too much salt, so I do not recommend that. The fiber in the yams, you get a ton of fiber. The potassium, one of the highest foods for potassium. You also get a little bit of protein as well. And the calories are very good if you're trying to lose weight, or even if you're trying to bulk. They are a healthy, complex carbohydrate. So I highly recommend them. But here's the thing. You can put ranch on them. I use fat-free. It's only 20 calories. And you need a dipping sauce. You don't need to. They are amazing just the way they are. But adding a little bit of ranch is just going to make it that much better. So again, 1 tablespoon is 20 calories, so that might be a little bigger than a tablespoon, but I'm going to go with 2 tablespoons on this one, you guys. Oh yeah. So that's like 40 calories, maybe 50 calories. You use it a little bit extra, but still, that is an amazing meal. Like this tastes phenomenal. There is another sauce you can get. It's called roasted Ali sauce. I will put it in the description box if you guys want to buy it. It's super hard to find. You can try at Costco. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. The roasted Ali sauce is what they use at restaurants. So if you ever buy yam fries at restaurants, they use that sauce. It's amazing. Ranch is super good, but this is amazing. Try the yam fries with ranch and without ranch, but you will see, even without ranch, they are amazing. How much does this cost though? So I have 150 grams. I gave my wife 150 grams, and this is a pound in here. So 450 grams to a pound. I bought yams yesterday, $5. This is half the amount. So almost 2 pounds. So you get 4 pounds of yams for $5. So basically a pound of yams for $1. It's extremely cheap, you guys, considering it's a healthy, complex carbohydrate with fiber, with potassium. Very, very cheap carb source. So end of video. Hope you guys did like it. Try my yam fries out. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.